So fully working program guide, hundreds and hundreds of live TV channels, thousands and thousands of movies, 3 times bigger than Netflix in this amazing streaming application, which works great on your Firestick, on your Android TVs. Now, this application is absolutely free. I would say it definitely ranks in the top 3 of the best free streaming applications that you can enjoy across all of your devices. And with this latest update, they've really just ramped up the free content, and I think you'll definitely find something to watch. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And here we can just see over 100 million downloads of this free application, more than 50,000 movies, watch TV series, watch the latest movies, all of that content in this updated application, and directly on the Google Play Store. No subscription and not even an email is required to use this application. So, and here we can just see updated on the September the 10th. So hot off the press. And again, with this latest version, you will see a lot more channels, many more movies, and of course all of your favorite TV series. Let's now open up the application. Unlimited movies, TV shows, and brand new live news channels, all included in this latest update. And of course, 100% free. Actually, it says always free, 100% legal, no subscription is required. I can click on next. Won't cost you anything, 3 times bigger than Netflix. Now this is also something they've added a bit new, but because I'm not interested in signing up, I'm not interested in watch lists or favorites, but of course it is up to you if you want to do that, and it is completely free. But in my demonstration, I'm going to click on continue as guest, and we are now straight into the content. So we can see all of the stuff here on the home screen. We have the featured section, we have action, we have comedy, and you can see they've got some very recent content in here like this. They got some comedy, romance section, black cinema, most popular, anything you want to watch. Let's just try the first one. Let's click on play. And that's the key thing with this special version from our website. Anything you click on, you'll be able to go straight into the content with no interruptions, no pop-ups, no adverts, and we are straight into that content. And that really is a phenomenal HD picture. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Then we have a documentary section, family movies. In terms of sheer volume, Tubi TV has to rank as one of the most jam-packed free applications, free legal streaming applications available to us. There literally is just so much content, movies. Let's go to the TV shows, lots and lots of things in here. Now also, some of you may be interested in the live TV guide. So if I go back to the top, if I click on live TV, and now we actually have a fully working program guide for these live TV channels. So we can see the content in here, some sports channels, drama, family content, lots of different things. I mean, I'm a bit wary of showing any content in here because of YouTube, but this restaurant one, let's click on that. And as it is a live channel, we should be joining the current broadcast. And in a couple of seconds, we can see we are straight into that channel. So no interruptions, again, no pop-ups, and definitely no adverts. That's working great. Let's back out of that. So lots of different channels, so many different categories. And because we have the working EPG, we can see exactly what's on now, what's coming up next, so you know exactly what you're about to watch. So, and now for example, you can see the content from the A&E network, from Fox Sports, from FilmRise. So this is also a great way for you to access different content. So if I go over to FilmRise, for example, here we can see Like Mike, click on that, click on play, and in a couple of seconds we should be straight into that content, which I always say is the great thing about these official applications. You don't have to worry about buffering or low quality content. Everything in this application, as it is official, you'll see it's in high definition, and I'm not really seeing any adverts during this. Let's go back. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this latest version of Tubi TV. It is one of my all-time favorite streaming applications, really, because it does have something for everybody. So you have the live TV content with that fully working program guide, all of those news channels, all of that live TV stuff, but also you get thousands of movies, you get all of those TV shows, lots of different genres, lots of different categories. To have all of that in a single application without requiring any registration, without requiring any kind of login, I think this version is definitely worthwhile checking out. So let me now show you how you can get this latest version on all of your devices. Head over to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can type in the short code 53402. Let's type that in and click on go. Now when you get to my site, head over to the hamburger menu, which is one with the 3 lines. Click on that, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this updated version of Tubi TV. Let's open that up. Here we are. So Tubi TV, watch thousands of movies, TV series, everything 100% legal, 100% official, 100% free. We can scroll down. Here are some step-by-step instructions. Underneath all of that, we'll have a couple of different versions. Now, the very latest version as of September 2023 is the first link here. So if for whatever reason you can't see this application in the Play Store or the Amazon App Store and you're looking for the latest version, get this one here. Now this one here is a slightly older version, but this one I've noticed doesn't have any interruptions. So if you're looking for more or less interrupted experience, then this is the one to use. The only thing is it does require Android 8 Plus, so you have to have a Fire OS 7 device, or an Android TV. You have to be running Android TV 8 or higher, which means if you have the 4K Firestick, for example, this version won't work. For older devices, we have this one here, which is the 4K Firestick one, and for the very old devices like Fire OS 5, we have the last link here. So depending on your device, you can get the right link, but either way, once you start this application, you will see that they've given it a massive update and you really can access some amazing content. And if for whatever reason you need to change your IP address, if you don't have a USA IP address or you're not in the USA, and the best way to do that is to use a VPN. Right now there's a very special offer where you can get a $2.99 2-year deal where you get that total protection, really fast speeds, no logging, access all of your favorite streaming services wherever you are in the world. To get that at under $3 a month, I really do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. So do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. It's only on for the next 2 weeks, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.